presenting a single-family home for sale in Ingleside at $375,000. The inviting front view showcases well-maintained landscaping and classic charming character. With a welcoming entrance, this house offers a beautiful facade that impresses visitors. The grand entrance features elegant design elements that highlight the home's style. The striking front view combines modern style with warm and inviting aesthetics. This picturesque front view demonstrates a perfect blend of elegance and comfort. The living room is spacious and bright, ideal for relaxation or entertaining guests. The modern kitchen features sleek countertops and ample cabinet space for storage. A cozy bedroom offers restful charm with warm tones and inviting natural light. This bathroom combines style with functionality, providing a serene personal space. The elegant bathroom features modern fixtures and a soothing, spa-like atmosphere. Embrace peace in the sunroom, a perfect spot to relax and enjoy the daylight. This study provides a quiet retreat with ample space for focused work or study. The garage offers versatile space, suitable for storage or parking multiple vehicles. A spacious garage is available, serving all your practical home storage needs. The backyard offers a peaceful outdoor escape, perfect for gatherings or relaxation.